Hey Baker fam, it's Shannon Baker here. Today I'm going to be doing a unicorn look. All products that I'm using today will be listed in the video description down below. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. The eyeshadow I'm using today is called the Urban Decay Elements palette. The first thing I'm going to do is cover my eyebrows with concealer. I'm using the Josie Maran Coverage Concealer in medium. You want to blend the concealer with a brush to cover your brows. I also used a beauty blender sponge to blend the rest in. I think eyebrows are the most important part about makeup, so I always make sure to do that first. I used a Sephora gel lip liner in Cosmo to cover the entire brow. I then filled the eyebrow with the color Ego from the Urban Decay Elements palette. I find that eyebrows and eyeliner always take me the most time every time I do my makeup. Next, I'm going to use the color Elemental to blend into the eyebrow crease. It's okay to go higher up towards the brow because later on you're going to be adding a purple crease below it. Next, I use the color Luna on the brow bone. I covered the entire eyelid with the color Dreamweaver. Next, I covered the outer half of the lids with the color Ego. I used the color Hex Remedy on the crease just below the eyebrow crease. Make sure to wipe off any makeup residue that may have fallen. I used Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Pink Glitter. Generously use the gel liner above your lash line. Use Urban Decay Gold Gel Liner below your inner eyes for accent. Draw your eyeliner out pointing to the edge of your eyebrow. That's why I always make sure to do my eyebrows first. One of my favorite gel eyeliners to use is by Bobbi Brown in Black Ink. I like it because it doesn't dry out. Gotta add more heavy metal glitter in Pink Glitter above the eyeliner. This is just in case you covered it with black eyeliner the first time. I'm using Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Use a lot if you aren't planning on using false eyelashes. Make sure to pull the glue off your lashes before you use them. I used Ardell lashes in Double Up number 210. Before I put on foundation, I always put my hair out of the way so I don't get it in my hair. My favorite foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I use the color Cashew. I use a brush first and then blend the rest with a sponge. I like to put the concealer on the foundation and then I blend it in with a sponge. My go-to powder is called Better Skin by Maybelline in Pure Beige. Next, I use the Radiant Glow palette where I use the Pink Pearl Highlight and Royce Bronzer. I don't know why I use the travel-sized Ibby highlighter in this video when it's in the Ibby palette. My all-time favorite blush is Benefit Cosmetics GALifornia. I always try to smile when putting on my blush so that I get the apples of my cheeks. Next, I use the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Torch on my waterline. This is the time when we really start getting into the fun stuff because we're about to start looking like a unicorn. To really get that unicorn look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Elements palette and using the color Hex Remedy. I'm going to start blending from my forehead down. You get to decide how intense you want this look. You also don't have to use the color purple. Depending on what you're wearing or what color scheme you want, you can use other colors as well. We finally get to use that Sephora gel lip liner that we used on our eyebrows earlier on what it's actually meant for, our lips. I used Almay Goddess Gloss in 400 Rainbow. I used some more Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in gold to add some accents underneath the eyes and above the brows. If you feel like getting more creative, you can add to other areas of your face. It's glitter, so make sure to have fun with it. You can literally put it anywhere. I got some crystal looking nail gems and I'm putting them on my face with eye glue. My only regret is that my eye glue is black, so I'm gonna have to be super careful. I highly recommend white glue so it dries on clear and you don't have to be so precise. I'm speeding up the video because this process took me the longest. And it took me the longest because I used black eye glue instead of white. So the reason why we used lip gloss instead of lipstick was for this moment. So we can put glitter all over our lips. Put on some Urban Decay All Night Makeup Setting Spray and our makeup is complete. For my hair, I used a crimper from Drybar. Now this is the very first time I've ever used this crimper and I absolutely loved it. The awesome thing about this crimper is that you don't need hairspray. I have absolutely dead straight hair. My hair stayed crimped all night, and it's also super simple to use. I started underneath my hair and started pulling more pieces of hair as I made my way up. Now my hair is really thick and long, so it took me a while. That's why I'm speeding up the process in this video. I love crimped hair, and it's perfect for beachwear, festivals, all that kind of stuff. And it's definitely perfect for a unicorn look. I'll admit that I am not a good hair person. I always do my hair straight, but this was so simple and so easy. I highly recommend it. And to finish the look off, all you need to do is braid your hair and pin it in the back, and then you're done. Just kidding, we have one more step. Next, we're gonna use hair chalk in our hair. I used hair chalk by Numi and I love it. Super simple to use. All you have to do is basically draw on your hair. One disclaimer I have is not to wear white. Although I did wear a pink dress when I was making the video and the chalk did come out in the wash. I hope you liked my unicorn video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more makeup videos on my channel, please let me know in the comments below. See you next time.